在餐厅点餐时有用的短语。
I would like to make a reservation. Do you have a table for number people? I have a reservation under the name. Can I see the menu, please? I'd like a table by the window, if possible. Are you ready to order? For starters, I'll have. I'm not sure yet. Can I have a few more minutes? I'd like it well done. Can I have it without onions? Could you make it a bit spicy? I'm allergic to. What would you recommend? What's the special today? What's the most popular dish here? Could I have the bill, please? Check, please. I'm starving. I am a vegetarian. Can I have a glass of water, please? Can you bring us more bread, please? The food is cold. The food is not cooked properly. Can you bring us more napkins, please? Thank you for the meal. The food was delicious.